Hello guys, if you don't believe me, you should, because yeah, I am actually back with proper maths videos. Yeah, and I mean proper ones. When I say proper, I sure mean proper. So, these cannot be so long, you know. I'm doing a type of number, a type of thing that has been brought to my attention that is square numbers. If you've not heard of if you don't know what a square number is, it's basically like it's to the powers. I'll go in more depth into that soon enough. But because you won't see so many math videos, let me tell. Because I've not done that many. I need a lot of catching up. So you might be asking, what is a square number? Well, you see a number 10 or a number 2. If you times any number by itself, whatever result is a square number. So 1 is a square number. It can be seen like, but a square number is like to the power of 2. So 1 to the power of 2, which just means 1 times 1. Same to the power of 3, power of 4. Whatever small power number it is, like 2 right here, number in this box right here. There isn't always going to be a box, just to let you know. The small number in this box, you just have to times the number the same amount of times. So you have to do 1 times 1 twice, or the 3, 1 times 2 twice. But today we're focusing on square numbers and not cube numbers or quartic numbers. I'll tell you what those are soon enough. So not today's video. So like I was saying, I'll be giving you a question, and and you're gonna pause the video and have a go at this question, because I've got a very good question to save for last. But I'm not going to talk about what's going to happen about that right now. It's not really as good. It's just a simple question. So I'm going to give you a simple one. What is 2 times 2? Pause the video and have a go. The answer is 4. It's kind of like 2 plus 2. Here, because the 2 times table is just the same as doubling your numbers. So every even number is in the 2 times table. So 1 plus 1 is in the 2 times table. 2 plus 2 is in the 2 times table, etc. I'm going to give you another question in another. So now I'm going to give you next. Excuse me. Let's see if you can get this one. Okay, the answer is 9. It's just the same thing as 3 times 3. And if you don't know how to do it, just, I don't know, use a calculator. Or just add 3 to 3 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. That just gives you the same result. Same for all the times tables. If you add the number like 1 plus 1 plus 1, 11 plus 11 plus 7, multiple times you can get the times table. Okay, now that you know what a square number is, you'd probably be wondering how you get those square numbers themselves. Get ready to ignore the noise, by the way. So it's something called square root. You see, this is a little square root symbol. So it's basically a square root. It's basically what you call putting a number. A number has been squared, and it's this number. So, for example, the number let's just say the number. What number do I want to give you? This number here, that is not written properly. This 25 has, this number has been times by another number, another number has been times by itself in order to get this number. So basically, so what times what is 25? So two numbers have been times by themselves. A number has been times by itself to make this number. And we have to see, and that's what a square root is. The square root is the root of how the number got squared in the first place. Let's go with that, yeah. Root of the number got squared. And this is the number. Now, I'm going to press pause and have a go. The answer is 5 because 5 times 5 is 25, and this is basically reverse squaring me. All right, I've given you examples of square numbers and squaring and square rooting. At this point, so I'm going to give you both questions. I'm going to give you a question out of each. Alright, so I'm going to give you a number here, a number from the square root now. There's a number from the normal. Now there's a number from the one that's being squared. Press pause and have a look. Okay, here's the answer. This one is 121. This one here, I put the wrong number in, sorry. Even I make mistakes, guys. This is basically 81, not, actually, forget this one existed. I'm going to do it for you again. Yes, I'm going to do another one for you. Even I make mistakes, don't worry. So how about 4 squared and the square root of the number 36. I haven't messed it up now. Pause and have a go. This is 16 because 4 times 4, and this is 6 because 6 times 6. And now I'm going to do one more question that you have to have a go at. Press pause and have a go. This is it. Like, subscribe, no swearing in the comments.